Hi friends, welcome to CocoBoo Tales.
What a beautiful day for the park! I can't wait to draw flowers today. Let's go! Oh no! Huh? The park is messy. Someone forgot to clean up. I'm going to help clean the park. That's a wonderful idea. Will you help me clean the park? Of course! I'd love to help. Cleaning together is fun.
Every little bit helps.
Thank you, puppy. We're a great team. Let's clean every corner. We almost finished. One more. Got it. Got it. The park looks beautiful. It's shiny and clean. A clean park makes everyone happy. And flowers grow better too. It's much nicer now. When everyone helps, every place becomes beautiful. Let's always keep our park clean. See you next time. We're CocoBoo and friends.
Are you ready for amazing adventures?
Let's go!